everyone, and welcome back to Taskade. In today's quick video, we'll be showing you how you can create a reading list or any other list with Taskade's web clipper extension. Let's get started. Now, we realize that whenever inspiration strikes, it is of paramount importance to quickly write it down to save it for later. We can do this obviously by copying and pasting text we read on the internet, but what if I tell you there is an easier way to do this and more? Presenting Taskade's web clipper extension for Chrome and Firefox users. Now, if you're a Chrome and Firefox user, you can simply download this extension from the link in the description below and you're good to go. From now on, whenever you're on a web page and need to quickly add the link to the project, all you have to do is hover over Taskade's icon on your extensions tab and the web clipper opens up. Here the link is automatically written down with a brief description and you can select the workspace as well as the project and block you'd like to copy it to. To add it to the project directly, you can press Command or Control plus Enter and you're good to go. If you want to save a piece of text though, simply select the text, right click on your mouse and click on Add to Taskade for the same menu to pop up and you can customize and add the text accordingly. That's it. That's how easily you can create a reading or any sort of list using Taskade's handy web clipper extension. We really think that this is an underrated feature that will help you get the most out of Taskade and help boost your productivity. Well, if you still haven't tried Taskade out, what are you waiting for? Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below and we'll be back with a new video soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.